What's up, my name is TechNumber here for Troubleshoot and welcome back to another video. If you found this video, congratulations, you're in luck. You found the solution that you're looking for and good on you for looking where you did. Basically, I use ESET Internet Security. It's the antivirus that I've chosen to use for quite some time. I find it's pretty good and pretty reliable. So I give them my money and they give me protection in return. However, after reinstalling Windows, I've run into a couple of issues with it. Mostly this one over here. Any website I go to, it says my connection is not private, something about cert date invalid, followed by a bunch of mumbo jumbo, and even turning off enhanced protection entirely doesn't let me use these websites properly. If you click the not secure button in the top left, where a lock would usually be, then certificate that says invalid, you'll see this right over here. Issued by ESET SSL filter CA. ESET is checking the SSL certificates for all different websites and verifying them. However, things aren't working properly. I'm pretty sure it has something to do with me changing my Windows location and time zone after freshly reinstalling it. Anyways, how do we fix this? Because this is being caused by ESET, as tons of different proper websites are failing, like GitHub, Reddit, YouTube, etc., etc. The only thing in common is the ESET SSL certificate. Well, it's actually pretty simple. All we have to do is disable and re-enable SSL protocol filtering. Open up your ESET client, then hit F5 on your keyboard to bring up the advanced setup settings. On the left-hand side, head into Web and Email, then expand SSL/TLS, and inside of here, turn this off, then click OK. When prompted for admin, click OK there as well. Now, if I reopen my web browser, refresh the page, you'll see things are working properly, and it is now registered with a valid certificate issued to, say, github.com. Things are working fine. All we have to do from here is re-enable it to make sure that we have full protection. Hit F5 once again, Web and Email, expand SSL and TLS, turn this on, and then click OK. When prompted for admin, click Yes, and now you're basically done. If I head across to any website and refresh, navigate, etc., things are working properly. Looking at the certificate, you can see it's still authorized by the same exact person, things are working properly, and it's no longer glitchy. But anyways, that's about it for this video. Hopefully you found this useful. My name's been TechNoba here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!